Hey, so this is a quick review on this shower towel holder, I believe it's called. But I got this for free to do a review, and it's actually something that I needed. And that's something that I like to do. I only like to review free products that I actually use. And this is one of those products that I was actually thinking about getting. And it replaced a bar that I had here. I just had one bar. And now I have multiple hooks where I can hang my different shower accessories on. And this right here is a towel rack. So if you want to put a towel here. The only thing that I don't like about this is this right here. It should have been a flat shelf because it does have holes. So I have to be mindful of what I put up there because it can fall through. But other than that, yeah, this is a great product. Keep in mind, you can't hang on this or anything. It's not that strong. So it's mainly for just resting stuff on or setting things on top of. It was easy to install initially. You stick it to the wall, but you do have to screw some holes into the wall. It says no drilling required, but honestly, I wouldn't trust the sticky things for something that I'm using on a daily that stuff sits on top of. So yeah, I wouldn't trust it, especially in the Florida heat where the humidity causes stuff like this to fall. In a different state, you may have a different situation, but I didn't want to risk it falling and, you know, maybe a bottle breaking or something. But yeah, after putting the screws, I drilled some holes and put it on the wall. Yeah, it's been great. I do wish I could have installed it a little lower so I would have had more space up here. And I still can lower it. I can loosen these screws right here and kind of pull it away from the wall to get the sticky part off, and then I can slide it down. But that's not a huge concern of mine right now. But yeah, this has been great. Highly recommended. If you're looking for a lightweight shower shelf, and another thing I like about it, it folds up. So if I wanted to fold it up out of the way, I'm not going to do these clips because they are somewhat hard to open. But you pull these clips and this folds down. So if you wanted to get it out of the way, say you got some kids coming over and you don't want them trying to hang on this, you can fold it up out of the way. And it does feel like this shelf is a little bit more sturdy than this one. This one feels like I could pull on it and break it, but this one feels like it's solid, and that may be due to where the screws are. But yeah, great product. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching. You have a blessed day.